Sustainable and green infrastructure. Sustainable and green infrastructure refers to the design, construction, and operation of infrastructure systems that minimize their environmental impact, promote resource efficiency, and contribute to a more sustainable future. Here are some keywords and concepts related to sustainable and green infrastructure. Renewable energy. Integration of renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydroelectric power into infrastructure systems to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and minimize greenhouse gas emissions. Energy efficiency. Designing infrastructure systems to optimize energy consumption, reduce waste, and maximize energy efficiency through the use of efficient technologies and practices. Green building. Incorporating sustainable design principles in the construction of buildings, such as energy-efficient materials, natural lighting, efficient insulation, and green roofs. Low-carbon transportation. Promoting sustainable transportation options, such as electric vehicles, public transportation, cycling infrastructure, and pedestrian-friendly designs to reduce emissions and congestion. Water conservation. Implementing measures to reduce water consumption, such as rainwater harvesting systems, greywater recycling, efficient irrigation systems, and water-efficient fixtures in buildings. Sustainable materials. Using eco-friendly and recyclable materials in construction, such as recycled concrete, sustainable timber, and bio-based composites, to minimize the environmental impact and reduce resource depletion. Waste management. Integrating waste reduction, recycling, and responsible disposal practices into infrastructure projects to minimize the generation of construction and operational waste. Green infrastructure. Incorporating natural elements into urban environments, such as green spaces, urban forests, green roofs, and permeable pavements, to enhance biodiversity, mitigate urban heat island effect, and manage stormwater runoff. Life cycle assessment. Considering the environmental impacts of infrastructure projects throughout their entire life cycle, from raw material extraction to construction, operation, and end-of-life disposal. Sustainable urban planning. Applying sustainable principles in urban planning, such as mixed land use, compact development, preservation of green spaces, and prioritizing public transit to create more sustainable and livable cities. Resilient infrastructure. Designing infrastructure systems that can withstand the impacts of climate change, extreme weather events, and natural disasters while minimizing disruptions and ensuring long-term functionality. Circular economy. Promoting a circular economy approach by designing infrastructure systems that prioritize reuse, recycling, and resource recovery, aiming to minimize waste and maximize resource efficiency. These keywords highlight the various aspects and approaches to achieving sustainable and green infrastructure, which is crucial for mitigating environmental impacts, reducing carbon footprints, and creating more resilient and livable communities. Thanks for watching.